Hi friends, I'm so thankful to God for giving such an opportunity to share some of His marvelous treatment. Okay, last week I have shared some of the methods how to improve our eyesight and keep doing. And I want to read your comments after exercising all those uh, eye tips. And today I'm going to share some of the wonderful treatment that I used to do for my eyes whenever I get itching, whenever I get pink eyes. So what did I do for my children? So today I'm going to share some of the uh, methods that I used. So whenever I have itching of eyes, I don't get often, but I remembered I had twice or thrice. And what I do, I take boiled water with some rock salt, make it cool, and take some cotton and just wash it out. Mm. Don't use the same cotton for the other eye, use the another cotton. And after that, what I do, I just lie down on my bed and I will take a lime, okay, a small piece, a small slice, and just make a drop to fall on my eyes, and I will just put my tissue over here so that the tears will drip on my lateral side. And at the same time, you should not put for both the eyes, okay? If you put for your left eye, wait for 10-20 minutes, then you can start for the right eye. So that is how I used to do, and it was enough. If I apply one time, the itching and all those things goes off. And once I remembered I had pink eyes, okay, pink eyes, and what I do, I did the same thing. I washed out with warm salt water, and after that I put lime juice, okay, for right side, and wait for few minutes, and the other eye. And when you put lime juice, it really burns, okay, you will feel like jumping and screaming. But as time goes, the burning goes off. It is just for few minutes. And if you can dilute with water also, okay, you can use pure mineral water, drinking water, or boiled water, okay. You can mix 50-50 and you can apply on your eyes. And after that, the third thing what I do is I make a charcoal paste, okay. So this is what I made and kept, a charcoal paste. And I have to take a cotton, cut a round shape, okay, and just open, divide it, and put the charcoal paste on this, only on the center, okay, and you cover with the half cotton and press it like this. And you can put some water to drip, okay, the cotton should be wet. So I'll put some water in this. Okay, the water should not drip. Okay, this is what I made, okay, the charcoal poultice for the eye. So night time, what I do, I just put this charcoal poultice on my eyes and a small piece of plastic so that the poultice will be wet, and I will lie down and just put on my eyes. Okay, I can do this for 2-3 hours. Okay, I can put this during night time also, or daytime also. So don't use the same charcoal poultice. Okay, if you put for 2 hours, you have to discard it and make a fresh one and use it again. So this is how I did whenever I had red or pink eyes. And I remember whenever my children had itching of eyes and redness of eyes, I used the same method. And some people used to be scared, and I have read and in some other website that you should not apply lemon or lime juice in your eyes, but it is my own experience. We have been using this from last many years, and I don't feel any harm to my eyes. Okay, this is my personal experience with myself and for my children and my friends whom I advised. And when my eldest son was small, when he was around 10 years old, he had chemosis. Okay, it is like puffiness of the eye filled with fluid. Okay, chemosis. So it was full of like fluid collection in the eyes, and he cannot close even. So I tried for many days some natural treatment, like putting mother's milk and honey and all these things. For 2 days it didn't work, and I switched on to lime water. Then I applied for 1 or 2 days, 3 times a day, and with the same charcoal poultice I did, and he became all right. Within 3 days he became all right, and that was a magnificent experience that I had. And also, when one of my relative had stye, okay, and he was suffering more than 1 week. So I told him, why can't you try this charcoal poultice? Okay, it was swollen, and eyelids were swollen and red, and it was very painful. And that night he applied the charcoal poultice. Okay, he just closed the eyes and he just applied the charcoal poultice, and he revealed me that he slept so well. There was no pain. It was a painless sleep he had after 1 week. And when he got up early morning, all the pus came out. It was drained out from the stye, and he was so thankful. So that is one of my experience also with the stye, with the help of charcoal poultice. So let us use them. Do not be scared. Okay, it is better to use natural things rather than the heavy medication. So let us try, and if you have tried, you can just write down your comment and after seeing this video. And if you have any other method that you have done in your life, I'll be happy to know it. Thank you so much.